Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and the Fire TV is powered. On the Fire TV, go to Settings, Display and Sounds, then turn on Display Mirroring so the receiver is ready. Once done, pull down your phone's Quick Settings or open Google Home and choose Cast or Screen Mirroring. You want to find the Fire TV device name. You're initiating the handshake immediately. This is the step that tells the TV to accept incoming screens from your phone. Now connect. On your phone, tap the Fire TV name in the cast list and wait a few seconds for negotiation. If the Fire TV asks, accept the incoming connection with the remote. This authorizes the session and prevents accidental pairings. For Android phones, use the native cast feature. For iPhones, install an open air screen on the Fire TV, then follow its on-screen QR or code method. This bridges Apple protocols to the Fire TV. Make sure both devices stay awake during the handshake. Finish by stopping casting from your phone or selecting Disconnect on the Fire TV. This ends the session cleanly and frees resources. If video lags or audio is out of sync, close other heavy apps on the network and move devices closer to the router to reduce Wi-Fi interference. If the Fire TV doesn't appear in your phone's list, restart the router, phone, and Fire TV. This simple reboot often clears discovery and network issues and restores casting capability quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.